Does your computer feels like it's running on a hamster wheel instead of a processor? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to make it run 10 times faster without spending a single cent on upgrades? Stick with me because in the next few minutes, I'm sharing the ultimate tips and tricks to turbocharge your PC. Ready? So let's dive in. On your computer, search for Performance. Select this Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. From here, switch Adjust the Best Performance, and there you have it. With just a few simple tweaks, your computer is now running like a dream, no hamster wheel in sight. Now it's your turn. Try these steps, and hey, if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friend who's always complaining about their slow computer. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Until next time!